Okay, real talk. What if I told you that some of the most coveted, editor-approved complexion products on the market have drugstore twins sitting quietly on Walgreens shelves waiting for you to find them? Because, girl, they absolutely do. And today, we are going deep. I'm Sophie, your resident beauty specialist, and this is the video that could honestly save you hundreds of dollars a year without sacrificing one single drop of that luxury glow. Let's start with the one that broke the internet in my comments, the e.l.f. Halo Glow Liquid Filter versus the Glossier Skin Tint. I did the side-by-side. Same shade, same lighting, zero filter, because I respect you too much for that. And y'all, the finish is genuinely, almost criminally identical. Both give you that dewy, skin looks like skin effect that every beauty editor is obsessed with right now. The e.l.f. retails for $14 at Walgreens, CVS, Target, basically everywhere. The Glossier Skin Tint is $45, exclusively at Glossier.com or Sephora. That is a $31 difference. Multiply that by 12 months if you're repurchasing regularly, and you've just saved yourself nearly $400 a year. Let that sink in. Now let me get technical for a second because this is where it gets interesting. The Glossier Skin Tint has a slightly more buildable formula. It layers beautifully and has that cult favorite, barely there coverage. The e.l.f. Halo Glow, on the other hand, leans a little more luminous because of its light diffusing properties. So if you have dry or normal skin, both are going to perform beautifully. If you're on the oilier side, you might want to set either one with a light dusting of translucent powder. I love the Laura Mercier one for that elevated finish, but honestly, the Coty Airspun at Walgreens? Also a dupe moment. We'll save that for another video. Okay, let's talk about the second dupe that I think is criminally underrated. The Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter, $44 at Sephora or Nordstrom, versus the L'Oréal Lumi Glotion, which you can grab at Walgreens or Target for around $12. Both are designed to be worn alone, mixed into foundation, or layered under makeup as a glow primer. The Lumi Glotion has a slightly thicker consistency, but when you blend it out with your fingers or a damp beauty sponge, that difference disappears. The payoff is radiant, luminous skin that looks lit from within. Charlotte Tilbury fans, I know you're skeptical, but I am begging you to try this before you dismiss it. Third dupe on my radar right now, and this one is for my lip girls. The Dior Lip Glow Oil at $40 versus the e.l.f. Glow Reviver Lip Oil at $12, available at literally every drugstore in America. Same glossy, conditioning, sheer tinted finish, same comfortable wear. The e.l.f. version actually has more shade variety right now, which, honestly, points for accessibility. I've been wearing the shade Peach Petal non-stop, and I get compliments every single time. Now, I want to address something important because I believe in giving you the full picture. Dupes are not always 100% identical. Luxury formulas often invest heavily in skincare ingredients, things like peptides, hyaluronic acid, or proprietary complexes that genuinely benefit your skin over time. So my philosophy is this: use the dupe for everyday wear, and if the luxury version is truly a skincare makeup hybrid you love, treat yourself occasionally. It's not either or, it's both and, depending on your budget and your goals. Bottom line, Walgreens, CVS, Target, and Ulta's drugstore section are genuinely that girl right now. The quality gap between luxury and drugstore has never been smaller, and as a beauty specialist, I find that incredibly exciting. The democratization of beauty is real, and it is glowing. If this video helped you rethink your beauty budget, please give it a thumbs up. It genuinely helps this channel more than you know. Subscribe if you're new here, because every single week I'm bringing you this level of honest, specialist-grade beauty advice. Drop in the comments, which dupe are you sleeping on? I read every single one, and your suggestions literally shape my next videos. Links to everything mentioned are in the description below, including Amazon US options. I'll see you in the next one. Go forth and glow, y'all.